Hi there, it's Phil here. I just wanted to show you what the routine is for updating your pressSIGN if you're on version 11. So let's just get straight into it. On your screen, you are likely to see this if you're running the server monitor. So the server monitor, let me see if I can show you that. That will come up here under this kind of 3 traffic light system. So if you click on that, you'll then be able to see that your system has a update available, if there is one available, of course. And that's just shown in this area that's got the green writing in at the moment. So here I can tell that there is an update available. If you want to know more about the server monitor, have a look for the server monitor video. I'll leave a link up in the right hand side corner at this particular point in the video. If you click on this pencil icon, it will give you information about what the update includes. So you can always use that if you need to know what the updates are including. But as usual, we would always recommend that you update your pressSIGN as soon as there's an update available, because there are bug fixes that will improve your use of the software. So once you see that, if I now go to launch pressSIGN, I'll just go and launch pressSIGN now. So we're just logging in and pressSIGN is up and running, and what we will see in this top corner here, up near where the soft proof is, we'll find an icon will appear to say that there is an update available for us. If you have some length of time without that coming up, the update icon, it might be worth logging out and logging back into pressSIGN just to jump the server so that it can refresh and find that there's an update available for you. Anyway, whilst I'm talking, you can see the update has arrived. So this is the update icon, and this is going to be the routine. So you simply click on that button. It tells you that there is an update available, what the update number is. And the first thing you're likely to see here, let me just zoom into it, it says pressSIGN server. So we'll click on the pressSIGN server update. This may also include client updates, and indeed this does. So let me just drag this over here. What I like to do personally is update the server first, and that's the one that comes up above the others in terms of the window. So I'll just click on the continue now and install. You then are asked for your computer password, so enter the password. And pressSIGN will now go through the process of updating the server. This really shouldn't take very long. And what you'll then see is about the connections, the port numbers. The connections relate to how many clients you're running on the pressSIGN server. I suggest you just leave it at 32 unless you're running quite a lot. Maybe if you're running 8 or more clients, maybe you want to update the connections. Unless there's a specific reason why you might change the port number, your IT admin would be involved in changing that. You can adjust the database memory allocation here as well. I don't have a big database, but 8 GB is plenty for me. It is typically just text data. We're not really saving images or colors in this data, so you don't really need that much. Then you'll see your server address. Now, when you're updating from pressSIGN 10 to 11, we don't need to change this server address at all. If you want to, you can browse for a new one and set up a new one, but I'm going to leave it just as it is. Here we've got the logo for your reports. And so if you hit browse and go and select your own business logo, those logos will appear on your report. So it's well worth doing. Get a PNG file of your logo and replace it there. Just go for the browse and you'll be able to do that. Anyway, here I'll hit the start button. And again, we're asked for our computer password. It stops the database, generates the configuration files, restarts the database and initializes it, and very soon it will be complete, and we've done that right now. If I click on OK, that's fine, and that part, the server is now installed. We'll now jump over to the client installer and hit continue, and you will look for the address of your client. Typically that would be on the hard drive of the computer that you're running. You will need to update all of the clients that are connected to the server, so please make sure that you run this update on all of the connected clients. I've hit install, again computer password, and we can see there that it is just running that package script. Takes hardly any time at all, and I can click close, and now we are ready to run pressSIGN, and it's all updated. If I click on here and launch pressSIGN, and enter the password for your client, it is then immediately ready to run as an updated version. So you can see if I go to the server monitor once more, just here, we'll see that we are now running the updated version here, 11 and then 1039 at this point. Obviously there'll be other updates after you've watched this, so this may well not be the number that you're updating to. So make sure that you have a look at the server monitor video so that you understand what all of the features are within this little interface here. So I can just hide that and go back, and we can have a look at the pressSIGN interface. You will notice that when you go to the About pressSIGN, it will not tell you what the exact version is. You'll need to go to the server monitor for this at this point in time. I hope this has been of use to you. Make sure that you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you want more updates regarding pressSIGN and colour management in general. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to helping you in the near future.